Okay guys, we're in a new location right now. We're in Mrs. Crump's kitchen because I needed a place where I could prop this up so we could play this game together. So I'm going to hold up an animal and I'm going to say the name of that animal, and you're going to think about what letter is the beginning sound of that animal's name. And then we'll put it in the box. Okay? Are you ready? All right. We have an elephant. Where should Mrs. Crump put it? In the E box. That's right. Right there in the E box. Okay, what about a lion? Where should Mrs. Crump put it? That's right. Right there in the L box. What about a walrus? Where should I put the walrus? That's right, right here in the W box. Now I've got a penguin. Where should it go? Penguin. That's right, we're gonna find that P box. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Now we have a dog. Where should I put the dog? Yes, in the D box. There it is, right there. And I've got a jellyfish. Where should I put that jellyfish? Oh, right there. There goes the jellyfish. Jellyfish says J. What about a quail? Quail. Where should I put that quail? In the Q box. Right here. What about this guy? A vulture. Vulture. Where should I put that? That's right here in the V box. Now we've got a zebra. Where should I put the zebra? Z. That's right here in the Z box. Now I've got a tiger, a tiger. Where should I put that? Tiger. Right here in the, oops, right here in the T box, Mr. Tiger. All right, now I have a fish. Where should I put the fish? That's right there. And now I have a seal. He's a spotted seal, isn't he? Is for S. Oh, that tiger does not want to stay, does he? There you go, Mr. Tiger. How about a monkey? Monkey. M is for monkey. And now we've got two k sounds. We have a camel and a kangaroo. Camel is the magic C. And kangaroo is K. Now we have an ostrich. Where am I going to put that ostrich? In the O box, that's right. Next comes a alligator. Where am I going to put him? That's right, in the A box. And we have a rabbit. Where's he going to go? Rabbit. Very good. And now we have a bear. Where is he going to go? Oop, right there. Bear. B. And we've got, let's see, these are some of the weirder ones. Let's see, we've got an iguana. 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 That's right, I is for I. And now we have a hippo. Hippo. And this is a goat. Goat. What letter says G? G. And this is a newt. That is for N. And this little guy right here, let's see, where is he? Oh yeah, he's a urial, which does not say the sound, but it is a word. It's a U. U says not ya, right? And then this guy right here, he does say ya. He's a yak. Yak. What letter says ya? Yo-yo. Y. And then last but not least, we have an ox. Ox. What sound do you hear at the end of ox? That's right, the X sound. So there's our alphabet zoo. If we were at school, you would have been able to put them in the zoo, but Mrs. Crump couldn't figure out a way to do that. This is the best I could do. So I hope that you had fun playing this game with me, and I love you guys. Bye.